To find your LCD, the first thing you need to do is factor all of your denominators. And the first step in factoring is to take out the greatest common factor, and you can take a 2 out of this, that first fraction on the right. So now you're going to multiply, your LCD will be a 2, an x plus 3, and an x minus 2. And you're going to multiply every term on both sides by 2, x plus 3, x minus 2. A 2, an x plus 3, and an x minus 2. So when you do that, on the left-hand side, these x plus 3's cancel, and you're left with 3 times 2, which is 6, and an x minus 2. And then x plus 3's cancel, and the 2's cancel, so you're left with a 5 and an x minus 2. Here, those cancel, you're left with a 2 and x plus 3. That's 6x minus 12 equals, this should be a plus sign, by the way, 5x minus 10 plus 2x plus 6. Combine like terms on each side. 5x plus 2x is 7x minus 4. Subtract 6x from both sides, you're left with an x minus 4. And then add 4 to both sides, and you're left with a negative 8. And I go back and I check my denominators. If you plug in a negative 8, you do not get 0 in the denominator. So that is your solution.